Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We are on block number 9 of our classic quilty sew along. So we are sewing through all 12 blocks of my classic quilty ornaments. We're doing one block every other day, so you have plenty of time to finish. And of course, we're going to finish in time for decorating for the holidays. Now let's just review. Yesterday's block was this fun, I feel like this looks like a pinwheel, you know, those things you put in your yard that spin, or maybe even like a poinsettia leaf block. This one was really cute. This did have tiny pieces. So again, I recommended the Mary Ellen's Best Press for this. Also, pressing your seams open can really help on these small blocks. So let's go ahead and look at today's ornament. This is ornament number 9. And this one is actually super easy to put together. You don't have to worry about any of that on here because there's not really any tiny pieces that are so small that it's going to cause you any troubles. This is the crisscross block, and this is actually one of my favorite blocks to make. I did this on my sew along here that we did on YouTube, the Sew With Me series for 2021. I can't remember what block this was. Maybe it was block 9 as well. Wow, that would be weird. But anyways, it was really fun, and I did a bunch of these little ones, and when I did it, one of the samples that I did actually turned out this small, and it wasn't the right size. So I was like, oh, that would be a really cute ornament. So here we are, block number 9. I think these are really cute. This is actually one of my favorite ones, and it's also one of the easiest ones to put together. Now, one thing I don't think I've mentioned in my video yet is I hung all of my ornaments, you know, just standard like this, but I think it would be so cute if you put the ornament tie right here on the corner instead of on one of the flat sides, and all of the ornaments can hang at a diagonal, and I think that would be so fun. So this one would kind of look like this one would look like this, and that would be really cute. And plus I think they might actually twist a little bit better on your tree even, you know, just kind of have a little bit of movement there. But anyways, I chose to do mine this way, so you can do whichever you like. I again did this red on red with a white background. A lot of questions on the white background. This is my standard Moda Bella Solid 9900-97, and it's just a soft creamy white. I thought I wanted to keep it a little bit more simple because these blocks are so small. I think I mentioned this in one of the previous videos, but it's a lot better for smaller blocks to use prints that are tiny as well. So you don't want to get like some large overscale print and then try and do a tiny block with it, because you'll just lose that print. You won't see it, and it might even end up with a pop of color here that's going to completely wash out your tiny little piece. So stick with tiny prints for these, and I didn't want to do anything major on my background because I didn't want it distracting from the actual design, so I just stuck with a complete solid. Of course, you can do whatever you like. And then one of the other things that I have been suggesting is have fun with these. So I know I did white, and then the design is in the printed color fabric, but you could also completely change that out and have your background fabric be the darker fabric, and then your design be the lighter fabric. So you can really change the look of your blocks just by your fabric placement. So have a lot of fun with these. This is block number 9. I think that's all I have to say about this block today. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. And don't forget to post your finished blocks or even in progress blocks on social media using hashtag classic quilty ornaments. And you can tag me at Erica Arndt so I can see what you're making. And if you tag me, I'll re-share your image. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time for block number 10. So again, they're just, I hung all of my ornaments,